About a month or so ago, I did a video called How to Fix a Lawn Filled with Crabgrass, our chemical mistake. Well, here's an update back on the properties that we're dealing with the crabgrass issue more so than the majority of our properties. Cleaning it up, you can see the discoloration on the property. That right there is Kalinga. Just letting you know that the quinchlorac or quintessential does work on Kalinga as well. It also works on some broadleaf weeds, but you can see here, we still got crabgrass lingering around. But if you go back and look at the previous video, you'll see that the majority of the crabgrass has been wiped out. Like if you go look at what it looked like on the previous video compared to now, you'll definitely see a big difference. I was kind of hard on us, and that's a nice guy we met in the neighborhood. Told him about the spraying field also as well. So hopefully it takes heed. But I was kind of hard on us as a company because these lawns we mainly inherited from Tarver Turf, the guy that trained us, right? And these lawns were really pristine when we came out into the neighborhood, and it's like we came out, man, and just dropped the ball. Not that we did it on purpose, but I was more so going by what we were taught in the classes, less is best. That's what those black spots are. That's dead crabgrass. And eventually that Bermuda is filled in. But the less is best theory, which is a good idea, is just that you have to know, you still got to realize that once the rain kicks in, if you've been going light on the chemicals, it's going, whatever the amount is that you deducted, you're gonna have to pay for it if you don't have a way to cover your you subtracting that amount that the labor calls for. So that's one lesson we learned. Definitely get the pre-emergent down. Make sure that's down during, especially the January through March season. Get that prodiamine down, that 65 WDG. Get it down, whether it's in granular form inside the tank. It's gonna break down the water. It's gonna dilute, in other words, mix with the water. And afterwards, then you can put down a liquid pre-emergent. But make sure you get that down to go ahead and stop these warm season weeds. And in this case, specifically speaking, crabgrass, all right? Thanks for tuning in. Once again, Underdog, and we're a lot more excited about the process now.